Let's explore MongoDB aggregation, focusing on the $lookup operator for performing joins. Specifically, we will see how to perform left outer joins between collections. The $lookup operator is a powerful aggregation stage in MongoDB. It performs a left outer join between collections within the same database. This operator joins data from multiple collections, and it always performs a left outer join, ensuring that all documents from the input collection are included in the result. Here's the syntax for using $lookup. The $lookup stage takes a document with the following fields: from, which specifies the name of the collection to join with; localField, which specifies the field from the input documents; foreignField, which specifies the field from the from collection; as, which specifies the name of the new array field to add to the input documents. This array contains the matching documents from the from collection. Let us consider two sample collections for our examples: the users collection and the orders collection. The users collection contains documents with fields like _ID, name, and email. Here's an example document. _ID is 1, name is John Doe, email is john@email.com. The orders collection contains documents with fields like _ID, user ID, product, and amount. Here's an example document. _ID is 101, user ID is 1, product is laptop, and amount is $999. Here's a basic example of using $lookup to join the users and orders collections. We start by calling the aggregate method on the users collection. Inside the aggregate pipeline, we use the $lookup stage. We specify that we want to join with the orders collection, matching the _ID field from the users collection with the user ID field from the orders collection. The matching orders are stored in a new array field called user orders. This is the result of the previous $lookup operation. For each user document, we now have an additional user orders array field containing the matching orders from the orders collection. The user document has _ID as 1, name is John Doe, and email is john@email.com. The user orders is an array of matching orders. In this case, we have one order with _ID as 101, user ID as 1, product as laptop, and amount as $999. The $lookup operator also supports a pipeline option, which allows for more advanced filtering and processing of the joined documents. Here's an example of using the pipeline option to retrieve only the expensive orders for each user. We use the let option to define a variable user ID that references the _ID field from the user's collection. Inside the pipeline, we use the $match operator with the $expression operator to filter the orders based on the user ID. We also use another $match operator to filter the orders with an amount greater than 500. The filtered orders are stored in a new array field called expensive orders. Here are some key takeaways from this explanation of the $lookup operator. The $lookup operator performs left outer joins between collections. The results are always returned as arrays. The pipeline option allows for advanced filtering and processing of the joined documents. It is perfect for combining data from related collections. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.